Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back crafting. Today I have a DIY Glam Valentine candle holder for you. In today's video I'm using all Dollar Tree products. The pink diamonds that I'm using, rhinestone strips, they are also from my local Dollar Tree. I have wanted to use pink this year for my Valentine's Day decor. Didn't really want to use red, so I went for the very soft pink, and I really love how these diamond rhinestones look. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uneatly Tae. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day and tuning in to this DIY. I do DIYs, home decor, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like videos like these, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video. I know you have noticed that I'm not using hot glue for my rhinestone strips. I don't want to make these pink rhinestones permanent. I want to be able to use this candle holder throughout my house during different holidays and different occasions. So I want to be able to remove these pink rhinestones, if I like. So pretty much I'm just using the self-adhesive that's on the back. I love how my DIY came out. It looks so good. I did 3 vases, 2 off camera and 1 on camera. It is just a perfect hint of pink, and I like how each candle is glowing. You can use real candles if you want to. I just choose to use the little small tea lights. But thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I see you guys in my next video.